In this video, I will show you how to refer a friend on ClassPass. First, log into your ClassPass account. Once you're in, look for the banner or button that says Get 1,500 Philippine Pesos. That will take you to the Refer Friends page, where you will see your personal referral options. Now you have two ways to invite someone. You can either enter your friend's email address directly or just copy the referral link you see right below the email box and share it however you like. May it be through a message, email, social media, whatever works for you. So if you've got friends who've been thinking about trying ClassPass, now's the perfect time to share the love. That's how you refer a friend on ClassPass.